Hello guys, this is Gucema himself, the man who is giving you how-to tutorial. I'm welcoming everyone to my channel. Please go to your YouTube channel just to promote me. Open your YouTube channel, search my name, get me as Gucema. I'm Gucema. Just type Gucema, or you can just visit one of my tutorial. I always give a link to join my channel. Now, when you tap or when you just type Gucema, you just get my tutorial. These are all my tutorials, by the way. And I'm very grateful to those who have subscribed. These are all my tutorials. There are a lot of. All I urge you, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can comment to any of my tutorials that I have posted. You can share, etc. Help me grow my channel, and I'll be very happy. I'll feel very happy the moment I get that I have thousands and thousands of subscribers. When you tap on the link or when you search Gucema, you get me there. You can see. Just go and tap subscribe. Or when you click on the link that I provide on my tutorials, video tutorials, just click on the link and subscribe. I'll be very happy, guys. Help me grow my channel. Thank you for today. Just wanted today to give you thanks, much thanks for those who have subscribed, and to new members, please go onto my channel and subscribe. Thank you all. Have a nice day. And I always promise to give you more tutorials, education tutorials on our daily lives. Bye.